Good morning, friends. It is a cloudy day here in central Arkansas, but I'm going to talk some trash with you. Okay, let's go outside. I'm in the sunroom right now. Just got to let you know this is going to be a quick video, not too long. I just want to talk about some trash. And when I say trash, I mean the trash can. Okay, it's coming up on summertime, and I don't know about your trash can, but my trash can doesn't smell great in the summertime. In the wintertime, I can throw something like the package from some meat, maybe they've cooked, just throwing the package out there. It has like juices and stuff in it, which is disgusting. I'll put it in the trash can, and it's okay in the wintertime because it's kind of like it's sticking it in the freezer. It's not going to smell. But in the summertime, that's a different story. But let me get through this gate here. I'm going to tell you about my secret weapon. And I'm going to show it to you, but this is from the inside of the trash can, so I apologize. Nobody really wants to show the inside of their trash can, but I'm going to show you the inside of my trash can, so let's turn the camera around. All right, here we got our big city issued trash can. So, yeah, there's some trash down there, some dust. I mean, everybody's trash can's disgusting. I'd like to take mine to the car wash and wash it, but here's my secret weapon. This is one of those out in the garden center at your big store. This actually is for a soot cake to feed the birds with. Okay, I really need to wash my hands now, but this is my secret weapon. You take just a bar of Irish Spring, and don't take it out of the box, just take one end off of it. It's not going to come out. The cage is going to keep it in there. But get the cage all sealed shut, put some really strong cord on it, tie it to the back handle of your trash can. But now when I put the lid down, it doesn't keep the lid from staying closed, but also doesn't come out when they empty the trash. So it's attached to it, so it doesn't impede them picking up the trash at all. Nobody ever even knows it in there, but I'm telling you, it keeps the flies down and it keeps the smell down in the summertime. I don't know how this works, and I keep seeing it on Pinterest. For years I saw it and I was like, that doesn't work. I'm sure it doesn't. It works for people whose trash can doesn't stink like mine does, but it really does. It really and truly does. I've probably had that bar of soap in there for maybe about 2 years, and I need to replace it, but this is what a clean box of it looks like. Now this was just a little difficult to find. It wasn't like it was, something that was in the main section of my big store in town. I may have had to go to Dollar Tree and get it or something. I don't know. But I did see 2 more boxes in my shed a while ago when I looked, so I have a back stock of it. But also, they say, now I don't really have an issue with mice necessarily, but if you have mice around your house, in your yard, in your house, you can shred this up like with a cheese grater and sprinkle it around your house. Put it in an area right next to the house so it doesn't get wet when it rains, and keeps mice away. It also keeps deer away. Now I do know this. If you'll take this bar of soap and just drill a hole right in the middle of it and run a string through it, tie it on a fence, but put cut a milk jug, a gallon milk jug, cut the bottom of it off, put the lid on it and run a hole through the lid. I know this kind of sounds silly, but it looks like a bell at that point, so a bell shape without a bottom to it. Put the bar of soap on the inside. What this does is keeps the rain from washing the soap away, but scent keeps the deer away. Isn't that crazy? I know a lot of people who have issues with their gardens, and the deer will not leave things alone in the garden. But Irish Spring to the rescue. This stuff was invented in 1970. This was when I was a kid, and I remember when it came out because it was one of those man soaps. Women didn't use this soap, men use this soap. I'm not sure why, but if you want to smell like a man, or if you want to repel some squirrels or some deer, some mice. I'm hoping it repels the squirrels because I'm thinking about putting some chunks of it around my yard because they are just absolutely terrorizing me. So anyway, that's your helpful hint for the day. Irish Spring in your trash can. Now don't put it down in with the trash. Attach it to your trash can so it'll keep working for a long time. But anyway, hope this has been helpful for you. And we look forward to sharing something again with you real soon. Bye, guys.